Let's look at example 6a. It says use an appropriate calculation to express each of the following as percentages, giving answers to one decimal place. A, 30 kilometres out of 240. First thing we need to do is write a fraction. 30 out of 240. And then to turn any fraction into a percentage, we multiply by 100%. The percent sign we carry across. We now put it into our calculator and we find that the answer is 12.5%. We do not put the percent sign into the calculator. Let's look at B. B says 11 litres out of 84. Firstly, we make the fraction, 11 out of 84. We multiply it by 100% to turn it into a percentage. We carry the percent sign across. When you put that in your calculator, if it comes up as a fraction, use your SD button to change it back to a decimal, and you get 13.095. Now the question asks for one decimal place, so we need to round this. So we are going to round it to 13. We want to cut it off there at the 0, so we're rounding up, so we get 1. So our answer is 13.1%.